What happens when the internet goes down mid-sale? In this video, you will learn how offline mode keeps you selling. GOF POS on desktop is offline first by design. That means it keeps working with no internet at all. Your data lives safely right on your own computer, so you can keep selling during any outage. Every sale is saved locally the moment you make it. A small badge shows how many changes are waiting to sync. This tells you what has not reached the cloud yet. The moment you are back online, everything syncs automatically. You do not have to press anything to make it happen. Nothing is lost and nothing is entered twice. Online cloud backup adds another layer of safety. It protects your data away from your computer. If your device fails, your business is still safe. You can restore your data onto a new device. Just log in and bring everything back. Remember, the desktop app is fully offline first. The mobile app, however, needs an internet connection. So keep your phone online while you use it. In the next video, we will install the mobile app.